If n of A is 4 and n of B is 5, the number of injective mappings that can be defined from A to B is, the options are given as follows. So n of A is equal to 4 and n of B is equal to 5. So we should find the number of injective mappings. The number of injective mappings is equal to QPP, right? It's a permutation, so it's a very important formula to remember, where Q is the number of elements in B and P is the number of elements in A. Okay, always take Q as the number of elements in the second given quantity. 5p4, so 5 factorial divided by 1 factorial, yes, that is 1 factorial. 5 factorial divided by 1 factorial, which is 120. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 4s are 20, 23 are 60, 62s are 120. Option B, yes. The number of bijection functions from set A to itself when set A contains 106 elements is, the options are given as follows. So to solve this problem, it's a very easy problem. Set A contains 106 elements. Remember this formula always, right? Number of bijective functions from set A to itself, or a set to itself, is always the factorial of the number of elements given in the set. The factorial of the number of elements given in the set. So in this we are given that set A contains 106 elements. So the factorial of 106 is the answer to this. Number of bijective functions or bijections from set A to itself. I am writing all this so that you people can understand easily. So 106 factorial, option C, mark it. In the set of rational numbers, under the operation star given by A star B is equal to A plus B plus 1, the identity is, the options are given as follows. So to solve this, we are given A star B is equal to A plus B plus 1. The identity element is question mark. Now we should find the identity element. So when you solve for the identity element, always take the identity element as E, right? We know that A star E is equal to A, where E is the identity. Right? So let's substitute A star E is equal to A in the given equation. A star E is equal to A plus E plus 1. In the place of A we get E, right? So A plus E plus 1 is equal to A as per this equation. So A and A gets cancelled and we get E is equal to minus 1, which is in option A. On the set of integers z, star is defined as A star B is equal to A plus B minus 5. If 2 star x star 3 is equal to 5, then x is equal to, the options are given as follows. In order to solve this, we should use the both given equations, comparing these both equations, right? We get, so you can just name it as 1 and 2. So let's take the 1 in the brackets, right? A is equal to 2 and B is equal to x star 3. A plus B minus 5 as per the first equation. Okay, let's write it once more. 2 star x star 3 is equal to 2 plus x star 3 minus 5. So, in order to simplify x star 3, we should solve x star 3 by the first equations once again, right? So, x star 3 is x plus 3 minus 5. Now, I'll write it in the form of dotted lines because I'm going to explain you. X star 3 is equal to x plus 3 minus 5, right? So, use this from 1. So use this x plus 3 minus 5 in the previous equations, which is 2 plus x star 3 minus 5, right? 2 plus x plus 3 minus 5 minus 5. 2 plus x, sorry, 5 plus x minus 5 minus 5, 1 5, and the other minus 5 gets cancelled. X minus 5, yes, cancel that. X minus 5 will be left, so we get x minus 5 x minus 5 is equal to 5. Yes, according to the equation number 2, so x is equal to 5 plus 5, which is 10, option D. In the set of all non-zero rational numbers and under the binary operation star given by a star b is equal to ab by 3, the inverse of 6 is. The options are given as follows. So we are given a star b is equal to ab by 3. We should find 6 inverse, right? So a star b is equal to ab by 3, and we know that a star a inverse is equal to e, which is a formula for finding the inverse of any number if given. But e is equal to question mark. We don't know the value of e, right? So first find the identity element by the formula a star e is equal to a, right? We know that, we also know that a star e is equal to a. So a e by 3, a star e is equal to ae by 3, ae by 3 is equal to a and gets cancelled, e is equal to 3. Now we know the value of e also. So a star a inverse, right? Now a star a inverse or 6 star 6 inverse is equal to e. 6 star 6 inverse is equal to 3. 6 into 6 inverse by 3 from the equation 1, a star b is equal to ab by 3 is equal to 3. So 6 star 6 inverse is equal to 9, because cross multiplication, 9 by 6 is equal to 6 inverse. 6 inverse is equal to 3 by 2, which is in option D.